Here is a great way for you to make money on Fiverr itself, and it involves a few elements here. First off, you're going to be creating a business card that's going to be a digital design that you're converting to a physical item that you're going to be mailing directly to your client. Before you're actually going to be mailing to them, you're going to confirm that they actually want this business card. So this is a great way for you to make money. You can get a lot of extra money by doing a lot of gig extras, because people do want to order the gig extras themselves. So to do this, first thing that you have to do is very simple. You got to go to vistaprint.com, take advantage of the different sales they have on the website itself. If you already sign in into vistaprint.com, you might not always get the sales, so you might actually have to sign out of the website itself and see if a better sale actually happening in the website itself. If not, go to Google, type in Vistaprint discounts and see what's the best kind of discount they have up there and take advantage of it, and then create an awesome business card for your client. After you're going to be creating the business card to your client, then you're going to take the digital design, you're going to take a screenshot of it, you're going to show them exactly what you created and confirm that they actually want this business card. You don't want to send them the completed business card before they say that they're totally okay with it. So if they like the business card that you have created and they confirm this is what they actually want, then you're going to be taking the specific business card and sending it to them. What I mean by confirm, you have to make sure you enter most of the information into this specific item when you're actually going to be creating them the business card. You want to make sure everything is correct. The name of the company, the address, the email, the website, everything is confirmed before you place the order in. You don't want to make any mistakes, because then they're going to reject it and you're not going to get paid for this gig. So that's very, very important. So after you do all of this and you confirm with them, you can definitely make a lot of money. In fact, you don't want to just do the standard $5 package. You have to pay $5 plus shipping. You want to do a premium gig, or you want to do a professional gig such as this one. As you can see, you can make around $40 for the gig itself, and then you have to look into how much it costs you to create this specific item on vistaprint.com. And the difference in profit is how much you make by creating this for them. So you're just the middleman right here. You're creating something for somebody else, and then you're taking advantage of the time that you put into the gig itself and to create the product using your own imagination, and that's your profit.